Hi guys, it's our first try of the famous
What?
NDT
Oh, the
Hakao.
famous. It's not Hakao.
Oh, Long Bao Xiao. No, Xiao Long Bao.
No one will believe us. And this is the
lava.
fried lava bushi. We'll enjoy our
Push your chopsticks.
merienda, guys.
Push your chopsticks.
I don't stop.
Huh?
Wala
Isa lang ang chopsticks na ibigay nila. Okay, we'll just share the chopsticks. So our first try for today.
He will try the fried xiaolong bao, and I will try the
By the way, we pila for like 30 minutes just to get this.
Yeah, make sure it's worth the pila. How was it?
Spicy ba ito?
Yummy.
It's good, guys. Thumbs up.
See you in our next.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
See you in our next video.